Hello guys, good morning. I am here in the Dangtol and this is the local market guys. Look how people are selling vegetables. Look, and you will get here so many different types of vegetables guys. Look, with this finger they are selling vegetables guys. Look guys, this is the vegetable market guys. Look, banana also guys, and this market is located in the Dangtol near the railway station guys. And at this time I am here in the Dangtol near the railway station guys. Look, and I'm just coming here to buy some vegetables. And কি এগুলা কিমান দাম খুড়া?
30 টাকা ফানেনছে নেই
30 টাকা?
ও
Wow, look.
সেনে লাইবা 50 টাকা হইলো না কি?
This is the photo with different brinjal and banana also selling guys. Look. This is the local market guys, and this local market is located in the Dangtol near the railway station guys. And I'm here, and at this time guys, look, so many people are buying vegetables, and some are buying different types of vegetables. এগুলা কিমান দাম? দাম এগুলা 25 টাকা কেজি।
কোনটা?
এগুলা
ওটা
পাপিয়া also look guys, this is the papaya
30 টাকা
30 টাকা কেজি। Look, vegetables market guys. Look, this is the cabbage and pumpkin also guys. Look, and radish also selling. Look, this market is surrounded by the only vegetables seller guys. Look, so many people are selling fish also guys. This place guys. Look, this is the pumpkin also guys. Look, banana also selling and papaya also selling guys. Look, this is the banana and pumpkin guys. Look, cabbage also guys. Look, কিমান এটা মিঠালাও? ও 120 টাকা একটাতে। ওয়াও, কি নাম চাচা? কি নাম? They are selling pumpkin also guys. Look, banana also guys. Look, garlic also selling guys. Look, and lady's finger also guys. Tomato, different type of colorful guys. Look, this market is daily open in the early morning guys. Look, anyway guys, thank you, children, bye.